Racing just is started by Porsari. Break quickly restart. Moving up now there is Amsterdam Jamo Pamilya. China Star comes next. Gobini, Mamika, then down on the inside is sailing away. Asikuda Bloodline. Be My Queen comes next. Situnet, then down on the inside now is Prince for Never. While Don Alejandro is the early trailer by about 16 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back way by Porsari, Amsterdam Party Road for the lead. China Star is racing in third. And on the outside fourth, moving up is Siamo Pamilya. Then next on line now is Mamika. Then moving up down on the inside, Bloodline, Be My Queen. And on the outside now is Gobini. Then in the middle portion is sailing away. Asikuda, Prince for Never, Don Alejandro, while Situnet now racing in less than the far turn with Amsterdam by about 2 lanes. China Star, Mamika, moving up on the outside, down on the inside is Yamo Pamilya, and on the outside now is Be My Queen, Gobini, and as they swing for with Mamika now takes command. Amsterdam is down on the inside. Then next on now is China Star with about 100 meters of the race. We have Mamika now by about 4 lengths, and finally the curtain closer, Mamika, China Star, then comes the Amsterdam, Be My Queen, 6. That's Prince for Never and Gobini.
Alright. Numero
Ganda talaga ng numero